Welcome back to the channel. The B-21 Raider represents a monumental leap in strategic air power, pushing the boundaries of stealth, endurance, and modern warfare. As the successor to the legendary B-2 Spirit, the B-21 enters the stage not just as a bomber, but as the symbol of the U.S. Air Force's vision for next-generation deterrence and global strike capability. Designed by Northrop Grumman, the Raider is the first new American bomber in over 3 decades and carries with it expectations to dominate airspace far into the future. Asterisk at first glance, the B-21's design echoes the iconic flying wing silhouette of its predecessor. However, what distinguishes the B-21 is its evolution in stealth, material science, and digital integration. Its shining silver composite skin isn't just aesthetic, it's a reflection of its advanced radar-absorbent materials and thermal reduction coatings designed to make it nearly invisible to even the most advanced radar systems. The B-21 isn't merely low observable, it redefines what stealth aircraft can be in contested environments. Asterisk, the front of the aircraft reveals a smoother, more seamless nose profile than the B-2. This isn't just a design choice, it's functional. The radar cross-section has been reduced even further, utilizing newer manufacturing techniques and materials that allow for fewer visible panel lines and sharper, more angular intakes. These small visual upgrades translate into enormous tactical advantages in avoiding detection across enemy networks. Asterisk, moving toward the back of the aircraft. The engine exhaust system is perhaps one of the most mysterious and revolutionary features, tucked deep within the fuselage. The B-21's exhaust is designed to minimize infrared signatures while preserving aerodynamic performance. The aircraft's power plant remains classified, but speculation centers around advanced versions of existing high-bypass turbofan engines adapted for stealth operation, range, and fuel efficiency. What's certain is that this bomber will possess intercontinental range without requiring aerial refueling. And when needed, it is also designed for global reach with full support from the U.S. tanker fleet. Asterisk from a side profile. The B-21 Raider's proportions appear more compact than the B-2. This is intentional. By optimizing the size and reducing the overall footprint, the B-21 is easier and cheaper to maintain, store, and deploy. It's not only about power projection, it's about logistics. This bomber is made to be sustained at lower operational costs while still delivering a heavier technological punch. Its side contours blend the fuselage into the wings, and the gear doors, sensor panels, and access hatches are all meticulously aligned to reduce drag and radar signature. Asterisk. Now let's talk about what truly makes the B-21 unique: its mission, flexibility, and digital backbone. The aircraft is designed with open architecture systems. This means the onboard software, communications, and mission control systems are fully adaptable. The B-21 can be rapidly upgraded with new sensors, weapons, or cyber defense protocols without having to undergo expensive redesigns. It's built to evolve continuously as threats evolve. Asterisk, the cockpit, though shrouded in secrecy, is expected to be entirely digital with touchscreens, augmented reality overlays, and AI-assisted targeting systems. It will accommodate a crew, though it's also expected to support uncrewed autonomous missions in the future. This dual capability allows for manned missions when human decision-making is essential and unmanned strike roles when stealth and endurance must be prioritized in high-risk zones. Asterisk, inside the weapons bay. The B-21 Raider is designed to carry both conventional and nuclear payloads. These include precision-guided munitions, long-range cruise missiles, and potentially hypersonic weapons as the technology matures. What's striking is the modularity of the weapons bit can be reconfigured for different mission types, whether deep penetration, strategic bombing, or rapid response tactical support. Asterisk, unlike the B-2, which requires highly specialized hangars and intensive maintenance, the B-21 has been engineered for practicality. It can be maintained in standard Air Force facilities across the globe. The durability of its stealth coatings, ease of access to internal systems, and reliance on newer generation materials means fewer maintenance hours and more mission availability. Asterisk, the Raider's connectivity is another breakthrough feature. It will be fully integrated into the Joint All-Domain Command and Control Network (JDC2). That means real-time data sharing with other aircraft, satellites, ground stations, and naval units. The B-21 will not operate in isolation, will lead the charge in coordinated, synchronized warfare, whether in the air, on the ground, at sea, or in cyberspace. Asterisk. The name Raider itself pays homage to the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, an elite group of pilots who took incredible risks to carry out America's first air raid on Japan. That spirit of innovation, bravery, and strategic surprise is infused into every bolt and system in the B-21. It's not just a bomber, it's a legacy reborn. Asterisk. What makes the B-21 truly remarkable is how much of its power remains unseen. While the aircraft has had limited public appearances, the classified systems on board are believed to include next-gen electronic warfare capabilities. cyber resilience features, and even AI-guided mission planning. The aircraft's ability to penetrate denied airspace and operate deep in enemy territory with minimal support is what makes it the centerpiece of future air dominance strategies. Asterisk from a manufacturing perspective, the B-21 is also setting a precedent. Northrop Grumman employed digital twin technology to design, test, and validate many of the Raider's systems before the first prototype ever flew. This virtual first design process minimizes errors, accelerates development, and ensures a tighter integration between hardware and software. The Raider is more than an aircraft, it's a digital war machine born in the cloud and tested in simulation. Long before takeoff. Asterisk, as the Raider moves from prototype into production, the Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 units, potentially more. These will eventually replace the aging B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit, creating a leaner, more survivable long-range bomber fleet. The emphasis is on sustainability, versatility, and lethality. The B-21 is expected to operate well into the 2050s and beyond, a multi-decade investment in global power projection. Asterisk strategically. The B-21 is designed for the Pacific and European theaters, capable of flying from bases in the continental United States to anywhere in the world without detection. In an age where near-peer adversaries are rapidly advancing their air defenses and satellite tracking, the B-21 is a countermeasure that restores balance. Its stealth, range, and digital capabilities make it ideal for missions in highly contested environments. Asterisk in terms of aesthetics, the B-21 Raider exudes a futuristic aura. Its silver finish, smooth wing body fusion, and minimal external protrusions reflect not just stealth priorities but a sense of cold, calculated power. It doesn't need to look aggressive to be deadly. It operates in silence, slipping past defenses before anyone even knows it's there. Asterisk as global threats evolve and the geopolitical landscape becomes more uncertain, the United States' investment in the B-21 is a signal of commitment to deterrence, precision, and innovation. But the Raider is not just about offense, it's about maintaining peace through unquestioned capability. Asterisk, the B-21 Raider is the most advanced bomber ever built. It represents not just the future of American air power, but a new chapter in strategic, military aviation. With unmatched stealth, cutting-edge digital integration, and a mission-first design philosophy, the B-21 is a game-changer. The skies are about to be redefined, and the Raider will lead the way. Asterisk.